Our sponsor for today's video is Cookly.me. Cookly is a platform that delivers culinary experiences and quality cooking classes. It's a new and exciting way to enjoy food while traveling. Choose from hundreds of cooking classes and food tours. Learn the secrets of traditional recipes from local chefs and embark yourself in a culinary adventure with friends and family. Cookly is present in 130 cities and 25 countries, including top destinations like Mexico City, Bangkok, Rome, and many more. Remember, when planning your next trip, visit Cookly.me. Check the link in the description below.
Visit Cookly.me. Hello guys, and welcome to the first Cooking with the Guys video.
We are very excited about this.
Super excited.
We've been trying to make this for months. Today is a very important episode because we're starting with the basics. Today we're cooking two different types of salsas.
Exactly.
Horacio is doing one.
I'm doing a green salsa, and Alonso is doing a
I'm
red
doing
salsa.
another one, a recipe from my grandma.
Mine is from my mom.
As always, Moises,
Horacio.
Alonso.
and guys, don't forget to follow 5 Mexican Guys on Instagram as well.
And subscribe to our channel if you like this content. That
Yeah.
helps us a lot.
Without further ado, let's begin with this video. We are going to go shopping to the market for the ingredients, and you are coming with us.
Let's go!
Let's go, guys!
So we just stopped by for a quick breakfast to our favorite tacos in the Santa Fe market. We couldn't say no. If you want to see the review of these tacos, here's the card somewhere. Go watch it, and now we're gonna go to buy some vegetables. Guys, we're ready to go back home and cook the salsas. We just bought everything we needed. All of these was 44 pesos, about $2.
So we're back from the market. I'm gonna tell you what we bought. So here's some dried corn tortillas. We call them tostadas. So we're gonna use them to try the salsas. We also bought some tortillas. Welcome, this is our headquarters. And we're gonna start this session of cooking with the guys briefly.
For the red salsa, we're gonna need 6 tomatoes, average size. We don't want them huge. And depending on the spiciness, you can do from 3 very spicy chilies to 5 not that spicy chilies. We're gonna use about half of an onion and a clove of garlic. So my first step is just take the tomatoes, put them in boiling water. So you take the tomatoes, put them in the boiling water. You take the little stems from the peppers. It's pretty easy. So 3 and another one. And you let it boil.
You let it boil for about...
You let it boil, I guess, for about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna start prepping my ingredients for the next part of the salsa. So this onion, we can just chop. We want slices, I guess you can call them juliana, like juliana style. I lost my garlic, I don't know where it is. I think I threw it away or something. But we have a new one. So first we take the peel away. And then what I like to do is hit it super hard so it becomes like a paste, right? And then this paste, you can chop it up with your knife so it's super fine. A little bit of salt, throw it on top of your garlic, and you press it. So in the end, we have like a paste. Look at this. What I like to do, this is not a requirement, but I like to peel my tomatoes. This way your salsa will come out smoother. If you don't peel the skin away, the salsa is gonna have little chunks of skin everywhere. It doesn't taste bad, it's just me being picky sometimes. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've been boiling our tomatoes for about 25 minutes.
Yeah, approximately.
Just some canola oil. I guess you could use olive. No, you shouldn't use olive oil. Just canola oil, about a tablespoon. And then while it heats, we take our blender. As you can see, they are super soft.
Okay.
And they smell amazing. We bought very good peppers today. It with the onions makes the flavor of the tomatoes and the chilies super smooth. Like it takes any spikes of acidity or bitterness out, and it just makes a super smooth and delicious salsa.
Okay.
A little bit of chicken stock. This is in powder form. If you have some stock which is water based, you can use it as well. Are you ready?
Ready. Perfect. Oh, it smells awesome.
So this is a very basic salsa. You saw it. It's like 3 steps, but it's pretty good tasting. We use this in my family's house to put on quesadillas or some huevos, or you can put it on anything. Okay, so you can use this. You can store this in a Tupperware and put it in your fridge, and it's gonna be great. But right now we're gonna do something else to it. My grandma used to do this to this salsa, and it's gonna add so much flavor. So this is going to be something that's called salsa guisada. So that's a very peculiar thing about Mexican food. We fry liquids, and as you can see, these onions are super soft. I think this salsa is ready.
12 tomatillos, 8 serrano chiles, fresh cilantro. We're gonna add the tomatillos to the boiling water so they can get softer. The tomatillos are gonna change color. As you can see, they have right here like a very vibrant green. They're gonna change like into a softer green. It's more opaque. This is gonna take a little bit longer to change color, so you can like move them. You can see the tomatillos changing color. So the previous color was more like this one on top, and now it's like a green yellowish kind of color. As you can see, we're gonna boil on the red salsa the chilies. On the green salsa, we are gonna char the chilies on a pan. So this is like a technique my mom uses. I don't really know why, but she
pinched the chilies.
Yeah, she pinches the chilies with a fork. This helps that the chilies don't jump in the pan, because they like when they start getting heated up, they like start to jump. So that's like the technique my mom uses. I don't know if it's really effective. And we're gonna leave the chilies there, and you have to move them every once in a while. You will know they're ready because certain parts of the chili are gonna be charred. They're gonna turn black. Actually, we want them like this one here in the center.
So
Exactly.
what do we do with them out of the heat?
Yeah, well, now we are waiting for the tomatillos to finish boiling. As you can see, the water is boiling intensely. They are very soft, and as you can see, their skin is already peeling. We are going to empty part of the water on the casserole, so we can still keep a little bit of the water, but it's like 1/4 of all the water that we put here. It's gonna stay, and the rest we're gonna let it go.
Okay, so you empty basically like 2/3 of the water.
Exactly. We're going to grab the chilies.
Okay.
We're gonna put them on the water and tomatillo mix, and we're going to let it settle there like 2 or 3 minutes. After this, we're going to put all of this on a blender, and as opposite as the red salsa, we're gonna add a little bit of water. And first, guys, we're going to blend only the chilies with the tomatillos, and after we see that the blending process is almost finished, that's when we are going to add the cilantro. So as you can see, it's like a soft green right now, the color. And now for the finishing touch of the salsa, we're gonna add this cilantro.
Oof. It's gonna add a lot of freshness to our salsa, right?
A lot of freshness and a lot of flavor. I love the cilantro flavor, it's really good. We bought a lot of cilantro. I think this is enough.
How much is that?
It's like a handful. And so only at the beginning Alonso cut the lowest part of the stem because it had dirt, as all the other veggies. But you need to put the cilantro with all the stem. So
Your salsa is ready now, right? Or
yes,
you're gonna add salt?
I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. So the saltness level depends absolutely on your taste. Actually, if you have rock salt, it's way better. Okay. As you can see, the salsa, it's not that liquid. It's a little bit liquid, but that's the way it has to be.
We're also gonna show you some huevos rancheros. In this case, they are huevos rancheros divorciados because divorciados means divorced, and they call them like that because they are different colors, right? So we're gonna do tortilla, then 2 sunny side up eggs and salsa on top. We're gonna put green salsa on one and red salsa on the other. That's why they are divorciados. Okay. So we are ready to try our salsas with a couple of examples of dishes right now. Well, only one dish and some totopos.
Some totopos, yeah.
Okay. So what I always like to do when we have exactly. Let's take this, a little bit of tortilla. I also like that the onions give it a little bit of texture. Okay, so
very yummy. The yolk with every salsa that you add on. Also, there's better salsas to mix with eggs. You want a salsa that does not overpower all the flavor of the egg, but this is amazing. The yolk with the salsa makes an amazing mix. You can also grab the tortilla chips that are tostadas. They are like
totopos. Oof, your green salsa gets along so well with the huevos. That was delicious. Oof, this is delicious. And they are not that spicy. They are spicy. I can say they are.
I think they're like around 2.5 on spiciness. So guys, this was the ending of the first time cooking with the guys. So we hope you enjoy the salsas. We hope you make them. If you do make them, please send us your videos or your results and tell us if you enjoy them.
Yeah, you can send it to us through Instagram. We're gonna watch them and maybe we'll share a couple of your recipes.
Yeah, exactly.
I really want to see you guys trying the salsas, getting with family, getting with friends, and trying the salsas. As you have seen, they are delicious. So thank you to Alonso and to Horacio for sharing family secrets. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, don't forget about the little bell, and leave your comment down below. Thanks to Nate, thanks to Duncan, they are our patrons. Taco Ninja patrons.
Yeah, and thanks to the rest of the patrons.
Thanks to you guys. If you like them, well, we will continue with this and with the food tours as well. So let us know what you think.
Thanks.
Perfect. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Woo! We previously said, whoopsie.
Where's my garlic? Where is it? It's weird. It disappeared.
Ate it?
No, I can't. You ate the
wrong garlic.
The raw garlic. What's wrong with you?
Well, here's another.
Where the fuck is my garlic? No, but now I'm gonna be. We have to find it. We can't have our last little garlic in the kitchen.
Here's another view. If you don't find it,
Is it on the floor or something?
I don't see it on the floor.